everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Subscription Boxes and More with Michelle. And what do I have to share with you today? Well, I have another FabFitFun box. This one being a total mystery. It is my mom's, and it is like not even half the size, well maybe half the size of the one I received, where I got to choose all my products. Mine's on the bottom, hers is on the top. So let's see what they sent her in her FabFitFun. Let me open it up and see what the difference is between mine, which I hopefully have already posted, and hers, which is much smaller. And like I said, none of the products were chosen, versus mine, where all of the products were chosen. And here's a peek inside. On top is her magazine, the same as the one I received, I do believe. I'm pretty sure. Looks like it. And there will be recipes and beauty tips and exercise tips and all of that in there. And then there's the ads from other companies. And some more of that paper that my cats love to play with. I'll toss it down there and they can lay on it and crinkle it. Alright, so the first item I see, Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. And as you can see, it's one of those wraps you can wear after you wash your hair, or maybe to hide your bad hair day. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. It's like a turban thing. Oops, well, I just ripped it. Oh, love this color. So you put it over your head like so, and then you wrap your hair in this part a couple times, and then there is a button on the front and a loop right here, elastic loop, and you'll put that loop around the button, and that holds your hair twisted up in the towel turban. It looks cute, and your hair dries inside of there. Like that a lot. Mom will like that. If you wash your hair before you go to bed, it can keep your pillow dry. So there's that. Next she got Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, Hyaluronic Acid, Witch Hazel for all skin types. Check that out. In this little bottle with a bit of a spritz top there. See what it says about it. For a few minutes every day, we get to slow down and take care of ourselves. That's why we created Balance Me, because skincare is self-care. It's 100% natural. Our award-winning cooling gel nourishes, soothes, and smooths with aloe and hyaluronic acid, while also illuminating dark shadows. Directions: use fingertips to tap onto cleansed skin under and around the delicate eye area until absorbed. Use twice daily. Your moment of balance. Partner our cucumber-infused Wonder Eye Cream with our skin-smoothing, moisture-rich face cream. Well, let's try this out a little bit. First of all, there you go. It's a nice cream. Got out a little more than I probably would have liked to, but that's what came out. Tap it onto my fingers here, and then tap that around my eyes. Rub that in here because I got more than I need. I don't want it to be like, hopefully I've got it all rubbed in. Alright, that feels good. It is cooling. It feels really good. I don't know how it's looking on my face. I probably am shinier on my eyes now, but it feels good. The next thing is, I don't know. Oh, it's soft. That's what it is. That's crazy soft. Gentle Fawn is what it says on here. And it looks to me like a very beautiful scarf. It's got a nice fringe. Oh, Mom's gonna like that. I like that. That's nice. Oh, and that feels good against your face. It's not scratchy and doesn't smell funky. You know, like sometimes some things that are made of wool. This is really soft. This is really nice. I like that. Mom's gonna like that. Alright, so what else? Fenty Beauty Stunning Lip Paint and Unbutton number 2, if that helps you. I don't know if you're seeing it, but let's get it out and see. Come on now. You want to come out. That's what it looks like. That's different. It's got a different kind of applicator, not exactly doe foot. I'm not sure what you call that. Can't put my lips together still because of the facial paralysis. That has improved some, but not a lot. I mean, quite a lot, but not enough. I don't know if I have it all over me, and if I do, no. Have a good laugh. Alright, that's nice. Nice color. Mom will like that. She won't care that I tried it on. She's my mama. Here's something. Some makeup brushes from Luxie. It's got a Enchanted Eye Set. That's what it says it is. Enchanted Eye Set. I'm not really good with makeups, so I don't know what brushes for what. It is inside of a zipper pouch that is not, these may go to someone in a prize, so I'm not going to open them. Get them down where you can see them. But there is the brush set. Hopefully you can see those clearly. Those might just go to someone in a giveaway, so we're going to leave them as is. Those back down in the plastic. Keep them really nice. And the last item is Nars Blush. You see that in a lot of the advertisements for FabFitFun for this box. So I'll open that up and get a look at it. Packaging is nice. It's got kind of a velvety texture to the packaging, soft texture. It's got the plastic on it, and it's got a nice mirror. Let me see if I can get the plastic protector off of there. Maybe, maybe not. You're not meant to get into it. Got it. I don't actually have a blush brush in here. This is not makeup, this is art supplies. I don't have anything, but I will swatch it on the back of my hand with my finger. I'll do it on my cheeks, why not? It's got the little mirror here. But remember, I'm using my finger, so it's not going to be a perfect application. There's that cheek with, this one without. It's on both cheeks on that. Not a good job, guys, because again, I did it with my finger. But anyways, since Mom and I have very, you know, we're very close in complexion, it'll look good on either one of us. So we have the Nars Blush again, and the eye makeup brushes by Luxie. We have the lipstick by Fenty Beauty, the lip gloss. We have the eye cream, Calm and Replenish. We have the beautiful scarf. And we have the head towel. I think those are all the things that came in this one. And that's a nice box. What do you guys think of her choices versus, well, her not choices, her surprises versus my choices? I think it was a great box, and we didn't get any duplicates, so that's pretty cool. We can share, mix, match, share, that kind of thing. And yeah, I think that's a pretty good box. What do you think? Let me know what your favorite item was. Do you get FabFitFun, that kind of thing? Let me know. And give me that big old thumbs up, because you know that would really help my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, and please share my video with others so maybe they might subscribe as well. And thank you so much for watching and for listening to me babble, and I'll see you again soon in another video. Bye guys.